Howdy, how y'all doing? This is George from the Scrambler doing Off-Grid. I'm over here at Home Depot looking at Tuff Sheds. You know what? I want to take one of these Tuff Sheds and make a bunkhouse or a small cabin. And if you're interested in that, come join me. Welcome everyone to our Tuff Shed bunkhouse. We kind of finished it this year and we're excited to show you. Let's walk in. There it goes. Wow. Look what we've done this year. We've done everything that, I was planning on. Now, when we first did a video earlier this year, seeing what the winter damage was, I walked through there and said, this is what I'm trying to do. And one thing was to get this couch and put it in place. And this couch folds into a double bed, and certainly for sitting watching TV, we squeeze 3 people in here. Now, tight fit, but yeah, 3 people can sit there. But if I pull this out, and this back in, I won't back it all the way down, fold into a nice double bed. Put that away. Very quick.
Let's freeze this for a moment and go back in time. This is just a reminder. We started with a blank canvas of a 12 by 16 premium barn weekender from Tuff Shed. Yeah, nothing was done inside. The exterior was complete, but the inside was just bare 2x4 walls, ready for us to finish and insulate this shed bunkhouse from scratch. 3 years in the making, and we finished this summer.
Well, let's take some more tour here. Terry's put some decorations up. Of course, we're very moose themed. We have moose that come up to our property that like to visit us, and that's kind of fun. Now over here, I didn't pick this out, my daughter did. It's a foldable table. Kind of makes it nice for a small cabin. This does pop out somehow. We've got 2 sides so we can fit about 5 people, 4 comfortably. Now the chairs we got were these little stools. Very compact, this on the table, but look at this. I fit in here and I'm ready to eat. Nice. Where's my breakfast, Terry? Kind of hungry here. Oh, we can cook it. Look over here. We've got our stove and our electricity is working fine. And we have our nice refrigerator full of what I need, Dr. Pepper. Now, that's not all. Got our cabinets in. We put those in last year and they work wonderful. Got our sink in. That was one of our goals. The water runs. Right now I'm winterizing this place, so got the water turned off, but certainly the water runs. Got the drain going in. And over here I have my solar, and I'm running about 13.2 volts today. It's fall. The sun hasn't come out yet onto these panels, but I'm very surprised that the 4 panels I have has been running this refrigerator the whole time. I've been pretty excited about that. We have a cabinet here, a wardrobe, and again we can open it up, close it up, and we put our coats and stuff like that. The stairs I built last year. I got on some AutoCAD, drew it up, made sure all the spacing is right. Then we went ahead and put in this, what is called a banister, so that we don't fall off. It was fun making that too. We did the design and built it, put these lag bolts in there to make it look pretty to match these stairs. So yeah, that went really well. Well, let's come upstairs and look at the loft. Well, welcome to the loft. This is where business gets going, right? Sleeping. After a hard day of work, yeah, you want a nice comfortable bed to come up to and to sleep. It's nice and warm up here. Now for the lights up here, I went and put some low profile RV lights. We haven't used those a lot. We've been using these side lights on the bed more often. So if you look at this bed, it's pretty exciting, right? This bed is made for sleeping in. This loft area is not made to play in. It's really made just to come up, lay down, and sleep for the night. One of the problems we have here is the height, right? It's 48 inches from the floor to the top of the ceiling. Just gives us enough room to sit here and put our socks and shoes on, but it's not really made to relax too much because even I'm short and I'm hitting my head, but it's adequate enough. Wait a second, look over here. We, this weekend, got some side tables from IKEA. It looks like we go to IKEA a lot because this bed frame is also from IKEA. Now, IKEA, I've always noticed, makes things that are short and squatty, so I thought, yeah, this would make it really nice in this area. This is so we put our phones and stuff. We have a charger right here for our phones here, and a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug type thing here. Now I can change that out and just put in some USB ports, what I might do. And the main switch is right here for that light, but I also can turn it on right here, on and off. On this side, we got our TV, and that's probably the most important thing, 12 volt. Have a plug right here. Now you'll notice any of the outlet covers that are black, that's my 12 volt system. I got 12 volt here, these switches over here are all 12 volt. Down here, you can take a look, I got 12 volt. Anything with the white is 110 and runs off my inverter. Other things I've done is put this raw edge shelf in here. Acts like a mantle to what we consider our fireplace, but it's not really a fireplace, it's a nice little vented out heater. It's warming it up. Today's 45 degrees here and it's warming nice and toasty in here where I can wear a t-shirt. So yeah, that heater's working. Got our little mantle put in. Of course we put things like our remote. So yeah, that job got done. Kind of excited about that. I think Terry's more excited because she did the most of the work. I hung it, I cut it, she stained it and put it together. She did a wonderful job. You can see that there is no bathroom or restroom in the small cabin. And the reasons for that. The reason is that our county doesn't allow it. When you have a 200 square foot footprint, they say, no, you can't do it. So this is the bathroom. It's outside on a trailer, what's allowed by covenants.
Since the bathroom is a trailer, I just need to put on the axles with just 2 pins and move it anywhere on my property. Well, at least to one of my RV septic hookups, or just take it home for the season. Portable.
Temperature here gets about 120.
As you can notice, this bathroom is a full functional, portable 3/4 bath. It is built on a 4x8 trailer with RV water and septic hookups. Howdy, how y'all doing? Let's take a gander and see what's here. Well, plenty of room for toiletries. For those electrical needs, we can hook up to a generator or an inverter. Well, whatever you want to use. A flushing toilet? Yep, we got it. And for those special moments, a window for ventilation. And especially for me, a hot, smoothing shower after a long day of enjoying the outdoors. And for this year here at the property, the outdoor season is done. time to wrap it up for the winter. Thank you for joining us today. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. Select that notification bell so you can be informed of that new content coming up.
It's winterized.
Ready to go?
Ready to go.